Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the invalid geometry in QGIS or fix those geometries of invalid features in QGIS. So sometimes you want to perform a spatial operation but you stuck. Sometimes QGIS you have all points or vector data or polygon in good shape, but when you try to run a spatial operation it brings you like a geometry issue. For instance, I'll just perform a simple one. Select by location here. So when I'll select, for instance, I have my points here, I'll select them. Then I'll put this jointing for the particular polygon. So I want those points to select to intersect, which are intersecting the particular polygon. So upon running, it gives me this message, which is weirdo and very boring. That means please fix the geometry or change the valid features filtering or change the global settings for processing settings. So I'll show you how to fix this. So what we got to fix is just go to parameters, then go to this simple spanner here for this particular features which you're comparing to. So sometimes you're running a spatial operation, you have to fix all those spanners. For my case, it's just only one spanner here. I'll just click this. Then invalid feature filtering, don't use default. Make sure do not filter for better performance. So this is the magic trick. Do not filter. Brackets, better performance. So upon clicking this, then voila, then upon clicking run, wow, it will just go your selection. So that's it. So I have my almost how many polygons points selected? 209, which is actually all selected after for the particular polygon. So this is the way of actually surpassing that particular invalid fixed geometry or invalid features during spatial operation using QGIS. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.